In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an audience segment in Google Ads. Go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. Then click on Campaigns from the drop-down and go to the campaign you want to edit. Click on it. Then navigate to the left sidebar and look for the Audiences, Keywords, and Contents tab. Click and expand it. Then click on Audience from the drop-down. You'll see your audience segments there if you have them previously. Then click Add Audience Segments on the right to add an audience segment. You can choose to add an audience segment either on the campaign or on the ad group. I'll choose Campaign. Then you'll see two tabs, Search and Browse. I'll click Browse. Then you can browse your targeted audience segments. Once you find the audience you're looking for, just check the box right next to it. You can choose as many as you want. Then you can see your selected audience on the right. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Your audience segment is now added to the campaign or ad group. And that's it. That's how you add an audience segment in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.